Mask layers with vector masks. Mask layers with vector masks. A vector mask is a resolution independent path that clips out the contents of the layer, by the way. And vector masks are usually more accurate than those created with pixel based tools, and you create vector masks with the open or shapes tools. For more information on working with the open or shapes tools, see about the drawing. And how to add a vector mask that shows or hides the entire layers. How to add a vector mask that shows or hides the entire layer. We have steps. Step number 1. In the layers panel, select the layer to which you want to add a vector mask. Number 2. To create a vector mask that reveals the entire layer, choose layer, then choose vector mask, then reveal all. And to create a vector mask that hides the entire layer, choose layer, then choose vector mask, then choose hide all. And add a vector mask that shows the contents of a shape in the layer panel. Select the layer to which you want to add a vector mask. Number 2. Select a path or use one of the shape or pen tools to draw a work path. Note and be careful here please now. To create a path with a shape tool, click the paths icon in the shape tool options bar. Number 3. Click the vector mask button in the masks panel, then choose layer, then choose vector mask, then choose current path, and edit a vector mask. In the layers panel, edit a vector mask. In the layer panel, select the layer containing the vector mask you want to edit, if you would like to edit vector mask. Number 2. Click the vector mask button in the properties panel or the thumbnail in the path panel, and then change the shape using the shape and pen or direct selection tools. And how to change vector mask opacity or feather mask edges. We have 3 steps now. Number 1. In the layer panel, select the layer containing the vector mask. Number 2. In the properties panel, click the vector mask button. Number 3. Drag the density slider to adjust mask opacity or the feathering slider to feather mask edges. How to remove a vector mask. How to remove a vector mask. Number 1. In the layer panel, select the layer containing the vector mask. Number 2. In the properties panel, click the delete mask button. Disable or enable vector mask. How to enable or disable vector mask. Select the layer containing the vector mask you want to disable or enable, and then click the disable or enable mask button in the properties panel. Then shift click the vector mask thumbnail in the layers panel. Then select the layer containing the vector mask you want to disable or enable, or choose layer, then choose vector mask, and then disable or layer vector mask enable. By the way, a red X appears over the mask thumbnail in the layers panel when the mask is disabled, by the way, and the layers content appears without masking effects. How to convert a vector mask to a layer mask. How to convert a vector mask to a layer mask. Select the layer containing the vector mask you want to convert, and choose layer, then resize, and vector mask. Then note that after you resize it, a vector mask, you can't change it back into a vector object. After you resize a vector mask, you can't change it back into a vector object, by the way.